Welcome everybody. Thanks for stopping by the channel Passive Income for You. Today what we're going to be talking about is what is affiliate marketing and how does it work. So if you're a beginner, I encourage you to stay from the beginning to the end. Get the information, understand what we're talking about and how you can use this to be able to change your life dramatically. Okay, now if you guys aren't aware, my name is Jefrey Mihedji again, and you're on the channel Passive Income for You. What we like to do is bring you information on how you can make money online, not only just making money online, but reoccurring revenue to be able to create passive income in your life. We're looking to create generation wealth for our families, and I believe that affiliate marketing is a great vehicle to do so. So that's why we're talking about affiliate marketing and how it works. Again, if you're a beginner, you're in for a treat. So I encourage you stick to the end so that way you can get all the information and be able to apply this in your very own situation. Okay, let's get started. What are we talking about again? What is affiliate marketing? That's the topic of discussion. So I'm going to give you two definitions, the Wikipedia version and my version. So Wikipedia says affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Okay. Now, if you don't understand that, we're going to simplify it here with my definition. It simply says you're a professional middleman who provides leads or customers to businesses and gets paid a commission. So what do I mean by that? If you can provide a lead or provide a customer, then you get paid. So some affiliate programs work on a pay per lead situation and some are on a pay per sale. So in other words, if you can provide a lead to some, they'll pay you. Sometimes if you provide a customer that actually pays, then you get paid. So understand the difference there. But it's simply just driving traffic to a business. Next thing we're going to talk about is how it works. Now, when we're talking about how it works, I made this pretty cool graphic to help show you exactly what we're talking about. Now, looking at the top of this, you can see that affiliates are going to, again, promote a product or service for a company. And once customers see that product or service being advertised on the web, more than likely, and decide that they're going to click on it, and if they eventually buy that product or service, there's a unique link that each affiliate has, which is tracked by the company. As you can see, the company tracks the conversions. And once the company understands that you are the one who drove that customer to the business and they made a purchase, or if it was just a lead that it was paying on, then again, the company pays the affiliate, everybody's happy. Hopefully the customer got a product or service that solved their problem. The company just gained a new customer and the affiliate just got paid for their advertising efforts. It's a win-win-win. So now, if you guys are understanding the process of affiliate marketing, you should be saying to yourselves, damn, I've been doing this already. I just haven't been linked up with the right companies and I'm not getting paid. So I want to just remind you again, Chick-fil-A versus Popeyes. If you guys have been around lately, we're having this whole competition about who has the better chicken sandwich, and people were on social media, on the internet, talking about Chick-fil-A's, Popeyes. Some people were standing in line for hours only to get in, and then they get told that, oh no, we don't have any more. So fights break out, and people are going crazy over this chicken sandwich that has been in the store the whole time, but now all of a sudden, let's put it in between the bun and call it a new sandwich, and everybody goes crazy about it. Well, why am I talking about this? Because Popeyes actually went ahead and saved money, and at the same time they were making money. So they saved $20 million in advertising because people were on social media going crazy talking about which one's better and standing in line and doing all that craziness. Now, if you were one of those people who partook in this debate on which one's better and stood in line, I feel bad because, again, if you called up Popeyes right now and said, hey, look, I just learned that you guys saved 20 million in advertising. Can you guys send me my cut for my promotions to get some people over to the door? You're getting nothing. OK, so that's what I'm talking about. The power of social media is there. Now, you're already doing this stuff. Why don't you sign up with a company that can actually get you paid? know what some of you guys are thinking. How much can you actually make with affiliate marketing? And the true answer is at the bottom. I'm going to start with this. Decent affiliate marketers say, they say you can make anywhere from 10K to 400K, and we're talking annual revenue or profits here, because depending on what you're actually promoting, you may get sales monthly. Sometimes you may not get a sale in a month. You might get sales every other month or every quarter or whatever the case may be. But again, a decent affiliate, for the sake of giving you numbers, 10 to 400K per year is what these figures represent. And then if you look at what a super affiliate can earn, it's upwards of 1.5 million. But again, my recommendation, if you're getting started, the real answer that I'm going to give you to look at affiliate marketing is it depends on several factors. And I know that's probably not what you want to hear, but think about it like this. Each affiliate offer, or each affiliate partner that you partner up with, has a certain percentage that they're going to pay you for that lead or that customer. So it depends on which product or which company you're working with and how much the percentage is, how much you're actually able to generate, to depend on how much money you make. So that's why I say it depends on several factors, but some of these figures are thrown out there just in general so that people could get an understanding that there is money to be made in this industry. And if you're brand new, again, these numbers are realistic, and there's people that are making this kind of money. So if you want to become a super affiliate, like I said, stick around, get the information, go out there, do some research, and actually apply the information. The knowledge that you gain is nothing without actually applying it. So where can you find affiliate programs to join? Simple. I'm going to talk about two separate categories here. First one I'm going to go into is more of a general idea. So if you know that you have different products and services that you've purchased from stores like Amazon, Target, Walmart, a lot of people have Amazon Prime that they're currently using to make their purchases. So Walmart and Target, I just threw those in there because those are huge companies that sell tons of products. And if you can think of Amazon, Walmart, and Target, just those three different companies, and all the inventory that they have, whether it be in store or online, it's a lot. So if you were able to partner up with one or all of those different companies, and you have products or services that you have personally used, then you can recommend and talk about those products or services to other people. And if you're signed up as an affiliate, anytime people take your recommendation and make a purchase, you can make money. It's as simple as that. But you have to be signed up and understand how the program works, and just go with the way that it works. Now, if you are somebody who is interested in maybe educating and allowing other people to understand the benefits, like I'm doing, of affiliate marketing and other programs that you can use to build a business online, then there's other areas that you can look at to get products. ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus are just a few to put on the list. Now, what you can find or expect to find in these different websites are digital products that you can actually promote, that again are produced by other people. So you don't have to make your own product, even though you are able to do that if you wanted to. If you have an idea for a product or service that can actually help people, then by all means create the product and have other affiliates actually help market and promote it. And it's again a win-win for everybody. If that product solves the problem and pays the affiliate and you get paid in the process, everybody's winning. So that's what ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus actually provide. It's more so digital products to help people online, creating a business, and a whole bunch of other things, losing weight and dating and relating. So just a quick tip so you guys understand, if you're going to jump into affiliate marketing, those are the three big niche or three big industries that people jump into that almost are guaranteed to make you some money. Whether it be making money online or personal development, self-help, things of that nature, dating and relationships, and health and wellness. You know, people want to lose weight, people want to gain weight, people want to eat healthy, things of that nature. Those three industries are huge, and a lot of people are making money. So if you don't have any ideas on what you want to do or what you might be an expert in or what you might have some knowledge or are passionate about, consider one of those three things and figure out which one best suits you, and then you can move forward from there. Okay. Now, what or is affiliate marketing a pyramid scheme? Now, this question is hilarious to me because looking at the diagram here, you can see what a real pyramid scheme sort of looks like. I mean, the guy on the bottom, that newest member that you see there, probably paid a fee to join this pyramid scheme in the first place. Now, after paying, he's still at the bottom and he's supposed to, somehow find his way to the top. And as you can see, who's at the top? The leader of the organization dancing around with a cash full of fists. So whatever he might drop might be the only thing that you might end up grabbing. And if you are able to hopefully bring some other people in, then you might end up getting, promoted to the middleman. So you're not necessarily at the bottom, but you're still somewhere carrying the leader along. Now, is affiliate marketing a pyramid scheme? Absolutely not. As you can see, three reasons real quickly why it's not. First is the main one. It's free to join, so you're not paying anybody anything to become a part of anything. These are, again, products and services created by somebody else. You have the opportunity, if you believe in a product or service, to go ahead and promote it so that other people who see the benefits or who are struggling and can use that as a way to alleviate the pain can take advantage of it, and you get paid for that. Simple as that. You're not linked or connected to anybody. So like I said, no link, no connection. You're only linked to the company and your affiliate link that identifies who you are so that you can get paid. So again, you sign up as an affiliate, you get a unique link, you use that to promote the product or the service for the company, and you get paid every time somebody goes through your unique link to buy a product or service. So again, the sales that you make equals the cash you get paid via commissions, whatever that percentage is for that specific product or service that you're promoting. You make a sale, you get cash, and that's it. Affiliate marketing is not a pyramid scheme at all. If you can promote a product or service that solves a problem, more than likely affiliate marketing is going to be something that works out for you and you'll get paid. If you struggle to do that, then you may not make so much money. But the best thing about it is you can always learn tips and tricks, and that's why we encourage you to sign up, go ahead and hit the subscription so that way you can learn as we go. Okay. Now, I just want to say thank you. If you were able to make it to the end of the video, this was a short, introduction to affiliate marketing, how it works, and I'm sure some people have some questions or some comments or concerns. So that's why I put that there. I encourage you guys to go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I'd really love to hear some questions if you have it, and I'll do my best to answer them as quickly as I can. So that way you guys, again, can take action on the information rather than just watching and saying, wow, that was a great video, or that video sucked, and sitting back doing the same thing you were doing. So the purpose of creating this is to hopefully get the wheels turning. If you haven't heard about affiliate marketing, or if you just haven't taken action yet because you weren't sure whether or not it was a pyramid scheme, now you know. I just gave you the information. It's not a pyramid scheme. Try it out. It's free, no obligation. You have nothing to lose. Again, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Thank you. Really appreciate you guys paying attention. And on the next video, what we're going to be talking about is my #1 recommended platform. If you are interested in affiliate marketing, I'm going to go into some in-depth conversation about why I think it's the best platform out there. And we're going to also go behind the curtain so that you can see what the platform has to offer in terms of training and what you can expect if you do decide to check it out and start for free. Again, it's been real. Jefrey Mihedji, passive income for you. If you love making money, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. If not, we'll see you on the next one, hopefully, and maybe we can change your mind. Peace out.